Hey everybody, welcome to Managerial Cost Accounting, BA300 there. And looking over the course roster, I mean, all of you have been in class with me before, so I do these videos every week. So just, and I don't know if any of you have repeated this course. Um, so, I mean, you can get through this course. I don't want to, put you off at the beginning, but like I always harp, if you've seen me in some of the other classes, I harp about you have to spend time with school, and school has to be part of your life, not something extra. It can't be 30-hour rushing on Sunday night, or you got to be able to put that 10 or more hours in a week, so that you learn the material. And that's the whole purpose of going to school and taking these courses, to learn the material. So that's why I always harp and emphasize that, because that's what you're here for. So anyway, I assume by now everybody's familiar with the course room. You can, like the way I got my home page here set up, you can click right there to get to your book, or when you go into the modules tab, right there you can click to get into your book. So you click right there, opens up another page, click right there, and then it opens up the book. And then when you get into the book, we'll get to that in a minute when we go over homework, but so that's how you get into the book, though. Just like the other courses, you got your modules, you got weeks 1 through 5, to-do list, presentations. This particular course, we start in chapter 16. Is this chapter? Yeah, chapter 16. So it starts in chapter 16 in this particular course. I also harp about going over the slides, lots of information, lots of terms, how to do things, how to find a lot of the how to find the answers to questions, how to go through the work problems. So chapter 16, it's just about concepts and principles. Chapter 17, job order, cost systems, and then chapter 18 is the process of cost systems. So if this is all foreign to you, understand, the courses that make it not foreign to you, where you understand it. So as we go through the weeks here, we find out what you do or don't do. We can figure it out for you. The homeworks every week, when you get in here, you'll have exercise and problem. So like exercise 16-15. All right, so you click on that. You get your Excel sheet, open it up, and it will open. I got two screens here, so it's opening up. I'm going to pull this over here for you. So when you open it up, first thing you do, enable editing. And then the second thing you do is you go up here to File, click on that, click on Save As, and then you go into your computer and you save this file somewhere, wherever you're going to save it at. So something, you get a little power surge, you don't lose all you've done. These worksheets, the thing that's pretty spiffy about them is if you put in the wrong answer, it'll pop up. I see there's a little red asterisk there. So if you get little red asterisks, it's the wrong answer. So that's one of the good things about this sheet, is it lets you know that, okay, you missed something somewhere. A lot of these, like here, has like what they call drop-down menus. So you click on it, and once you click on it, you go over here to the little down arrow and click there, and you'll have the different options. So as you get familiar with doing these worksheets, that's how you do that. Now the other thing I'll show you here, like this is exercise 16-15, so it's chapter 16. So we go into our book. Quick way to find it. Where's our search? Where'd it go? Well, one, you can go, let's get down here to chapter 16. And then, I'm trying to find the search bar here. Here we are, over here. I'm looking in the wrong place. Okay. 16-15. Okay, that didn't work. EXERCISE. Alright, so that didn't work either. Well, anyway, I'm trying to find an easy way for you to, to get to the exercises. That was one of my thoughts, but the other way is to just scroll down. Once you get in there, just go down, you get down to where you find the chapter, where you find the exercise. And once you get in there, the other thing I will tell you is a lot of this is in the PowerPoint slides. Okay, so that's a little hint there for you. The PowerPoint slides has some of this information. All right. So anyway, just once you get in there, and you find the exercise you're looking for. So these are all usually 3 a week, 3 or 4 depending. And like I said, I'll give you the asterisks if you're doing it wrong. If you get stuck or something, let me know, and I'll work you through it. And so that's on the homework. Then the discussion every week, as you know, by Wednesday, the first one, initial post, due by midnight Wednesday. That way, everybody has chance to interact. And here lately we've been doing real good on discussion. So if you were in the previous term or whatever, everybody's doing real good. So we'll just keep that up. If you watch this particular video, the instructor video every week, you can count that as one of your replies. And one of the things I do though in the videos is ask people to mention something in your reply, so I know you actually watched the video. So I got my little what is he here? We'll call it elephant. Yeah, a little bobblehead elephant. So anyway, just mention that in the reply. That way I know you actually watched the video here. So, all right. So we got our, I'm going to keep this one real short. To-do list, presentations, discussion, homework, quiz every week, 10 or 20 questions, and that's it. So don't get disheartened the first week you get in here. Like I say, you'll do fine. Let me know if you need anything. We use the here lately we've been doing the inbox, the Canvas message system. It's been working real well. You can also email, call, and text, and I usually get back to you pretty quick. So with that, just welcome to another course, and if you need anything, let me know. So that was it. Everybody have a great week, and I'll talk to you next week or during the week, depending.